Hi everybody, my name is Jatin and you are watching The Gentleman's Approach. Also today we are talking about all the mistakes that people usually do while they are at work, which is also categorized as unprofessional. And now without wasting any time, let's start the video. So number 1 in the list is over promising and less delivering, which means आप ज़्यादा promise करते हो पर आप उतना deliver नहीं कर पाते हो. This is very important and everybody should remember this because nobody likes a person who delivers less always and promises way too much out of their league. Also, this is a major turn off. Remember, it's all about the word and nobody cares if you deliver less. What they care about is you have to deliver all the things what you were told and what you told them. Not only people will start respecting you for your words, also they will think that you are a responsible person and you have a motive to your life, which is very important. Also, they will think that you are a trustworthy person and they will tell you things that nobody needs to know. So talking about the second mistake in an organization which people usually make is they always complain about things. Suppose there is a person and he is always complaining about things. I know this is irritating to you and to me as well, and people don't like it. But here key point is we all have problems in our life. Also nobody likes it, but in order to tackle these situations we have to work hard and we have to work together. And dealing with situation is not a big deal. We all can deal with it, but without complaining about it. Moreover, it makes you a less competent person in life. Also, it will affect your aura that you carry in your organization and ultimately it will affect your growth and development. So third mistake people usually do in an organization which is categorized as unprofessional is interrupting between others. Yes, I know every organization has an element who is always interrupting between things, and trust me, this is appreciated by none. Maybe sometimes you are correct. Also, there are chances that they are correct in certain situations, but there is always a way to say things, and to say things you always have to be a polite person. Also, whether it is about giving a suggestion or talking about something or proving about something. So here are some examples that you need to use on regular basis, and that is very important. Also, first one in the list is instead of using you are wrong, you can always say that I beg to disagree, which is a very polite statement. Also, when talking to a senior, you can always use we instead of I, because I sometimes sounds like a rude situation or rude word. So use that. So talking about the fourth one in the list, which is a very big mistake and that people usually do, is gossiping. This is a very bad habit, and in fact we all have trust issues with these people who are always gossiping around. Also, there are situations we always think that he or she is particularly responsible for this kind of argument. So try to avoid all these things because these things will make you rich and make you professional, and also people are going to trust you, and lastly you will be happy. So fifth mistake we always do, and that is a very unprofessional habit, and that is showing up late at work. Usually this happens because of us, our habit and our routine that we follow. Also, this routine is not good, and if the routine is not good, then nothing will go right. So here are two important tips that you all can follow to have a perfect routine for your life. Also, this is for each and every one of us. All of you can follow it. So first in the list is don't use your cell phone after waking up from bed, also before going to bed, and that duration must be for 1 hour. Second in the list is you always have to plan your day ahead. That means just like exams, we all have to study before the exams. That is going to help us in the exams. That is why if we want to do something the next day, we have to plan it ahead. That means we have to plan a day before so that it can be done properly. So talking about the last one, which is also the sixth one, and it says inappropriate dressing up style, which is considered as unprofessional in many organizations. So there are two types of organization, one that allows you to wear casual clothes and one that doesn't. Here are some examples of colors that you can wear in formal organization and informal organizations. So that was all about today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Also, now I hope you all know all the points that makes you unprofessional in your organization. Yet make sure to share this video to your friends and colleagues. Also make sure to subscribe below if you haven't already. Talk to you guys in the next one. Plant trees. Peace.